think we're going to get much more testing or there's going to be very strong thunderstorms as well other things with a much more testing, more interesting with a tool, with a holograph map. I will meeting after this intro. During what over here, we are actually going to see what is going to happen for tomorrow advancing. Sorry for you guys to missing about it uploading because I was trying to do other stuff too. Just focusing on this tomorrow event on the 16th and also 17th as well. But more likely we're going to see it on the 16th, or I mean the 17th event as well. Like at 11 p.m. all the way to around 6. 7, there's a little bit, but then a larger chance until you get other half area as well. But and also there's a new tool as well. This is the really hard, like the storm. It's just hard to say, but it meaning it is when you see the purples. That's really low, a little bit wind shear, and a little bit about it, and also you can kind of see a little bit where the cape is round this red range area as well. This is this holograph map. It means the about the purple or the blue. The orange means like lower curve, like the red. That's where it is yours. We need to focus on the purple and red. Eventually over here you can kind of see really well what it is happening. And also with the strengthening with the graph when it will seem much more warmer with that temperature already, but so much more other ingredients as well. On the 17th, as the cave will be in that range as well, but there's gonna be percent chance for tornadoes. There's going to be a like 5% chance, and also some areas could get to like 50% chance of 10% chance for hail or 50% some each area as well. But for tomorrow on the day 3 outlook, there's like chance for like severe rest like 50% chance going to happen each these severe weather happening on the Thursday. We need to focus on the Thursday advancing as well. About the temperature, we could see about the sea temperature is just gonna be a little bit warmer, around like 6 is around 6 degrees, but it's not. I think it's enough for sea warm temperature as well as the wind pulling the moisture as well. You can kind of see where that line is pulling upwards. that's graphed by the wind shear. This you can kind of see it around that black area, but that low pressure brings that upward, and you can kind of see it in the different areas as well. By the wind shear, the jet stream is going downwards, the vent should be much more upward to bring that severe out well as the long track. This is where we're going to see when those storms starting popping up at like around like 1 a.m. and eventually moving through as well. But around a little bit of Florida gonna be good as well as the lightning. But there's another chance on the 21st as well, but it's just gonna be a little bit, who knows what is going to happen as well. So locally gonna be much more happy, more around February severe weather. There's gonna be much more tougher see on the 21st. Because with the temperature, with a lot of dew points, that's when you get lots of severe as well. When you get much more precipitation, you pull upwards as well. It's just much more precipitation as well, pulling upwards. Then to bring the colder dry air onto the back side of it. But the precipitation look like for like 3 hours, not much as well. Kind of see a little bit much better detail as well. You can kind of see slowly weakening. Then because it's slowing down as well. Just we're going to see so much precipitation as well. And as well as the wind pulling upwards as well. Go back to the GIS about the wind just going to get very strong on the 18th, and in some areas could get a little bit more topical about it. Some areas could get a little bit more damage wind as well. There's going to be much more stronger as well. Just we need to keep on lots of activity with the wind, and also about the temperature outlook, but all the way for the March 3rd. We will see much more cooler air, and with lots of warm air, eventually it will be much more warmer, but eventually a little bit cooling flip will be happening back and forth, and a really eventually really very good cooler air with the back to the north of Canada, and eventually around the Great Lakes. There's gonna be much more cooler each region as well. There's much more downright cooling. But I think this is the part about the thing about the weather. Because all the models could be changing one point or another, could be easily flipping back and forth, and also get much more stronger and advancing about the weather as well. There's so much impending about the outlooks. I already talked about the outlooks, but it's just really talking about very long track about the winter and so on for the March 3rd, and I will try to keep updating, but I try to do much more stuff too. It's just been a really busy day because of schools and also my other stuff too. This is my outro. Extreme out here.